Hello, my name is Mike Anderson, and I'm the North American Commercial Business Manager with Unilock. And today, I'm excited to share with you our SkyView Roof Deck Paving System. Designing rooftop spaces presents unique challenges, from slope surfaces and structural loading constraints to wind uplift requirements and aesthetic limitations. The SkyView Roof Deck System by Unilock provides the unmatched flexibility needed to overcome these obstacles and bring modern rooftop designs to life. Our comprehensive product lineup features patent-pending adjustable pedestals, pedestal pavers, hidden wind uplift accessories, wind uplift paving slabs, wood tile, and fiberglass grate. Together, these components empower designers to create rooftop spaces that are visually stunning, durable, and built to last. Unilock SkyView pedestals are patent-pending, fully adjustable structural supports for elevating a wide range of paving materials, including Unilock pedestal pavers, wood tiles, natural stone, and site amenities. Each pedestal is typically built with 5 main components. The bottom in either a 5-inch or 10-inch core, which features an orbital socket to compensate for slopes up to 6%, the washer for securing the core to the bottom, the top for providing a large, stable surface where paving materials lay, and the rubber pad, which aids in noise dampening and slip resistance. In addition to our standard pedestal components, we offer a variety of accessories to achieve pedestal heights from 1/2 inch up to 31 inches. For low-profile applications, we offer both a 1/2 inch and 1 inch tall waffle stacker. For taller applications, we offer a collar, which can be used to couple together multiple cores to achieve heights up to 31 inches tall without the need for cross bracing. With these simple yet versatile components, SkyView pedestals ensure unmatched adaptability, ease of installation and durability for any application over structure, including rooftops, terraces, parking garages, and more. To meet the demands of high wind environments, the Unilock SkyView Wind Uplift System keeps rooftop paving surfaces secure, even in severe weather conditions. The system consists of 3 parts: the SkyView pedestals, the SkyView Wind Uplift Kit, and the SkyView Wind Uplift Slabs. When combined, these components create a rafted paving surface with an invisible tie-down mechanism that resists wind uplift pressures without compromising project aesthetics. Simply add our Wind Uplift Kit to our traditional pedestal assembly by first screwing the puck into the pedestal top, second, placing the Wind Uplift slab onto the pedestal, and third, sliding the keyway bar into the curved undercut of the paver and screwing it to secure in place. Unlike other wind uplift systems that limit design flexibility, our system supports unlimited offsets for running bond patterns. Additionally, it allows for quick removal and reinstallation of our wind uplift slabs, making it easy to access utilities and other structures beneath the paving surface. To expand the possibilities for roof deck designs, the SkyView Grate supports any Unilock paving product. This structural, fire-resistant fiberglass grate is lightweight, high-strength, and corrosion-resistant. The grate provides a blank canvas for designers, allowing for the use of smaller paver units, bandings, inlays, and more. This innovative solution offers the same design capabilities you enjoy in on-grade applications, now adapted for use on roof decks with pedestal supports. Wood brings a unique warmth and character to any project, and our SkyView wood tiles are no exception. These 2-foot by 2-foot tiles are not only stunning, but are also slip resistant and resilient. Their dense hardwood composition makes them perfect for use on SkyView pedestals, allowing for seamless integration into roof deck designs with a variety of complementary paving materials, such as concrete slabs, natural stone, porcelain tiles, and more. The SkyView Roof Deck System offers the opportunity to use any Unilock paver on pedestals. Choose from our extensive selection of standard pedestal pavers, available in various finishes and sizes, including our 1.5 by 2, 2 by 2, 2x3, 2x4, and more. You can also select wood tiles or fiberglass grates combined with any Unilock paver. For enhanced performance in wind uplift environments, consider our wind uplift system, which includes wind uplift slabs and a variety of Unilock finishes. With the SkyView Roof Deck System, the possibilities are endless. Any architectural vision you have can be brought to life, no matter the design or the challenge. Contact us today to learn more and discover how our system can transform rooftop spaces into stunning, functional environments.